the week before trial is hell week. It's kind of like, pledging a fraternity or sorority. You cannot imagine the things that you have to prepare for. And that's why it's so tough. You have to prepare. You have to know your case better than anybody in that courtroom when you step into it. And that means the week before or the 2 weeks before, you look at every piece of evidence and every possible objection. And you review the rules, you understand the case law, you understand the responses you're going to give to any objections that are going to arise. And that will allow your evidence to be admitted. If you're relying on a specific exception to get your evidence in, you should note in your prep materials what you're going to be relying on, what the exception is, what the exception says, so that you're ready if that objection arises. Because even if it's relevant, if you can't get around the hearsay objection, the evidence is not coming in. And if it's a piece of evidence that is very critical to your case, that could make or break your whole trial. So you need to make sure you understand, can it come in? What are the objections that may be made? And how do I respond to those? You have to make sure that you have your foundations laid out so that you know exactly what you have to do to authenticate and lay the foundations for your evidence before you ever even try to get that evidence in. And if you lay a proper foundation, a lot of times you may avoid the objection because there's nothing to object to. You've done your job. But that preparation is 90% of your trial.